Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Garden robotic mower in Smart Cylinder City or Smart Cylinder Life device, okay? Because the threads are nearly the same. Only charge the product using a charging station which is inserted for it, okay? We use only original batteries recommended by the manufacturer, of course. The battery must charge a complete cycle before winter storage, for example. If the operation time of the product is shorter than normal between charges, this indicates that the battery is getting old and eventually needs to be replaced. So we are going now to replace that. First, we push the on and off button for 3 seconds to switch off the product. We check that the indicator lamp on the keypad is not lit. Then, of course, the next thing is we have to bring the cutting height to the MIN setting. Because of this thread, we have enough place to remove the battery cover. Now we turn the product upside down. We place the product on a soft and clean surface to avoid scratching the body and the display cover too. And now we should clean around the battery cover. So that's better for us because it is not getting dirt into it, what we're going to remove now. The next thing is we have to unscrew the screws to the battery cover with a Torx 20 tool. And of course, we can remove the battery cover after this. We have to remove that cover. We have to release the latch and pull it upward after this. After this, we can remove the area of the cover immediately or easily. Maybe the wheel is not in place there. You can remove the wheel too if you like it or need it. We do not pull on the cables. We do not lift it with a big tool or something else. Then we see underneath there is the battery in it. And this battery we can lift up easily because we have to release the latches of the battery on right and left side because there are 2 latches on it. And if we are now release these latches by pushing them into the middle area, we can lift up the battery out of its housing. Then, after we remove the battery, we can remove the connectivity cables, of course. We put the new battery after this into place. If the battery cover without clamping the cables, if the seal on the battery cover is visibly damaged, the entire battery cover must be replaced. And then, of course, we have to connect the cables again. And carefully, we tighten the screws for the battery cover again with the Torx 20 tool. After this, we are done. For example, winter service. We can make a check at the winter time. Maybe we have to replace the battery or not. But such a battery should work over years, of course. But then you know how it performs. That's how to replace it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!